Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to use some technique by which you can insert increment serial number. So we have an example here in Excel which is contain salesperson ID in one column, and the second column is basically where we have to put a formula. So if any number is repeating more than once, let's take example, this is repeating twice, so I need one here, two here, but that is with the formula, because in real world you will not be having a small data like this but containing thousands and lakhs of the data. So let's start with the formula. You have to use equals to count if. Now you have to select a range. Normally we select a range from particular cell to cell, but in this cell what we will be doing, we'll put A2 to A2 comma, the criteria will be A2. Now what we have to do, we have to go in the first reference and we have to freeze this. This will freeze your beginning, that starting from A2 to search A2, if number is repeating, mention 1. Let's put equals to, copy this formula till the last row of your cell. Now you can filter out any of the example. Let's take this. So this is coming 4, this is repeating 4 times, so we have 1 for the first value, 2 for the second value, 3 for third value, 4 for fourth value. Even suppose if we have more than, let's see, 7, so we just filter 1006. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 without impacting others in the sequence. So by this technique you can use COUNTIF function to get increment serial number. But think why we are using it and comment what will be the use of this formula and share with your friend. Thank you so much.